Buenos días. Hoy en clase vamos a describir un hotel, una habitación, una casa. And when you're learning español, to feel like you're making el progreso, you have to memorizar vocabulario. That's important. And you have to use el vocabulario in meaningful sentences, meaningful blocks of speech. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, ¿cómo es means how is it or what's it like. ¿Cómo es el hotel? Si preguntas a un adolescente, you might get a one-word answer. Es grande. It's big. As adults, we want to desarrollar la respuesta. So we're going to work with 8 adjetivos. They come from Pasos, página 56. And they're in pairs. So, grande, pequeño. Pequeño means small. Grande means big. Pequeño. I think of a little pecking hen. Pequeño. He's pecking. She. Pecking. Pequeño. No es grande. No es pequeño. Then you could say it's beautiful. Es bonito. That's an easy word to remember, like La Isla Bonita by Madonna in the 80s, I think. Bonita is beautiful. Bonito is beautiful. Es bonito. And the word for ugly is feo. Now, I think that's a difficult word to remember, feo. It's related to the word afraid, so you could have something that was frightening because it was feo, maybe. It's also related to fairy, so feo, maybe you could think of an ugly fairy, feo. El hotel es bonito, no es feo. Pero no es moderno. It's not modern. And I want you to use words like pero. So you're using words like y, meaning and pero, meaning but. Es grande, no es pequeño. Pero es bonito. Y no es moderno. So making it negative, no es moderno. Es viejo. Viejo means it's old. And that's a difficult word to remember, but maybe you could think of a veteran being viejo. Your old man could be your viejo, so that could be your husband maybe, or maybe your dad or your granddad. Mi viejo. Bien. El hotel es viejo, no es moderno. Pero es cómodo. Muy cómodo. I'd like you to use words like muy, okay, and that means very. Es muy cómodo. Pero es viejo. Bien? So then we are developing that answer mucho más. If you want to ask, ¿cómo es el apartamento? How's your apartment? What's your apartment like? ¿Cómo es tu piso? What's your flat like? Then those words all work. But when we ask about una casa, a house, or una habitación, all the adjectives that ended with O now need to end with A. ¿Cómo es tu casa? No es grande y no es pequeña. Es normal. Y no es muy bonita, pero no es fea tampoco. That word tampoco means neither. It's not. Neither is it ugly. It's not ugly either. So, no es bonita, pero no es fea tampoco. ¿Sí? Y No es muy moderna la casa. So use that word muy, meaning very. No es muy moderna, pero no es muy vieja, tampoco. Y es cómoda. Lo importante, es cómoda. Now, these adjectives, adjetivos, are on página 56. And if you are using Pasos para estudiar español, you have actividad 11, which gives you 4 questions about un hotel, and you have el texto sobre el hotel aquí. Las preguntas. ¿Qué hay en el hotel? What is there? ¿Qué hay? ¿Qué hay en el hotel? So you're going to use instalaciones, the installations, habitaciones. Those 2 sections of el texto para decir que hay. Hay habitaciones todas exteriores. Now that means they all face outwards. Exterior. And that is a valued thing in España. Also, you've got TV parabólica. That means satellite TV. And then las otras instalaciones, you've got salones, which are halls, para reuniones. I love that word. It means for meetings. Reunite. Una reunión is a meeting. Okay, so I like that. Jardines or gardens. Piscinas. Now, here's something that I like. Piscinas cubiertas, covered indoor pools. Y, importante para mí, perdón, climatizadas. Una piscina climatizada is a heated pool. ¡Qué lujo! What luxury! Hay una base náutica. So that's where you can go sailing, sea kayaking, windsurfing, those kind of things. Okay, so that's ¿qué hay? ¿Cómo se llama? Is another question. You can get that from el texto. ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está means where is it? And then you've got a whole paragraph, situación. And it says things like junto a la playa. Now you know al lado de la playa, which is next to the playa. Junto a la playa is a synonym. So that also means next to the beach. Junto a la playa. Está junto a la playa. Y muy próximo a Marbella. Now you know cerca de means near to. Muy próximo a Marbella is another synonym. It also means very close to Marbella. Bien? And then when this last question, ¿cómo es? We've been through la lista de 8 adjetivos que debes aprender, que debes memorizar. And I would like you to use las fotos, and it is las fotografías, las fotos, para decir cómo es el hotel. So if you are using Pasos, you can now get on and do actividad 11. You can buy Pasos from the link in the description. And if not, then I would like you, por favor, to describir tu casa o tu piso, tu apartamento. Maybe put it in the comments. Thank you. Muchas gracias for watching this channel. If you haven't already, por favor, subscribe and like the video. Y nos vemos muy pronto aquí. Hasta pronto. Adiós.